Boys, welcome back to the channel. Got something different. This might be one of the last videos I filmed here before moving to Hungary, but I've got an arc reactor, and we gotta build it. I got this on Backlit. It's by a company called Mando Studios. I've never heard of them, but it's a DIY arc reactor, so we gotta build it ourselves. So let's open this up and see what we have inside. Alright, let's get this opened up. You have a little bit of arc reactor test text down there. Some Mando Studios. I don't know what that is, as I said. Now this is the remote controlled version, so there's a remote control with it. So it's pretty cool. Straight out of the box you get the LED, remote and stuff, the USB cable, some of the standoffs. This is for the outside. More stuff. Oh, great. Okay, yeah, that's the panel. You get a little Sharpie to draw something on. You'll see why later. And we get, oh, there we go. We get the instruction. Who needs those? No, I really need those. I don't know how to do this. So let's open all this up, and there'll be a time lapse of me building the entire thing so you guys can see. Let's go. Alright, we're at the end here, so let's just tie the zip tie up. And there, oh, it's not tight enough. Oh, there we go. That should be enough. Cut that off. And there we go. Completed. These things took so long to tie in, dude. They took so long. Now let's power it up and check it out, shall we? Ignoring the mess that is my table, I finished building it. And mine came with a remote. I ordered the remote version, so you can turn it on like so. Let's just have it focused. There we go. And with this button, you can turn to breathing mode, which is just, you know, it's going bright, going low, stuff like that. And you turn it off with this button. And it just works via a basic USB port. It's connected to my laptop for now. And these wires don't actually do anything, they're just for display. It's connected to this little thing here, and that's how it works. Really sturdy. It took me 3.5 hours to make this. All right, 3.5 hours it took me to make this, but I love it. I love it. All right, I love it. Now, if any of you are planning on picking one up, I will have the Backlit and the Amazon link in the description. The Amazon link will be an affiliate link. This took me exactly 2 weeks to arrive. Literally exactly 2 weeks to arrive in Qatar. I don't know about other places. And I had a little bit of trouble turning it on the first time. Also, the battery does not come included. I mean, the remote doesn't come included with the battery. You gotta put that in yourself. I had a little bit of trouble the first time turning it on, but after that it was really easy. I thought I put the battery in the wrong way, and I thought, oh shit, the LED is not working, but it works. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you'd like to check the other ones out, chuck this video a like. As I said, link in the description to buy these, and be sure to use code in the Fortnite item shop and the Store 974 app, the website in store. Use code Agent6075 to support me as a creator. #ad, #epic partner. With all that said, this is Agent6075 signing off. Have a good one.